I've been redoing my bedroom for about a month now, and it is finally done, so I could finally post this video. I'm beyond excited. I've put so much work into this video and so much work into my room. So in this video, there's going to be some unboxing, some little clips of like building things and hanging things up, and there's just a lot of other fun stuff. So I don't want to spoil this video. If you guys are interested in watching me redo my room, then keep watching. So the goal is to replace this cabinet with a mini dresser, get rid of that ugly laundry basket, get new end tables from IKEA, get a new headboard. I also really don't like the purple walls anymore, so we're going to be painting those white. And we're going to be adding a bunch of new decorations and making the color scheme beige and white. So now I have my furniture built. I have the little end table there, I have that end table there, and I have this mini dresser. The goal for this mini dresser is to have it over here to replace this thing, this cabinet. So now I want to take everything out of here, and instead of having it like stacked on shelves, I'm gonna have it stacked in drawers. So I have all of this stuff here to unbox, and I'm so beyond excited because I haven't opened any of this. Hi. I haven't opened any of this for like a month. I've just been getting stuff for over the month, and I've been waiting to film this so you guys can see what I got and unbox it on camera. So I ordered this Kleenex box holder, which is so funny and random, but I'm really excited because who wouldn't want like a fancy looking Kleenex box, right? So I'm really excited for these. I ordered new curtains. My room theme is gonna be like beige and white with like maybe like a bit of greenery. These are so cute. I'm so excited. So next we have this baby here. Oh, I love like the beige and the wood theme. It's so cute. But this is going to be my new vanity stool. This is the first thing I ordered a month ago, and I've been so excited to unbox this. It's a little mushroom lamp. I ordered a little mushroom lamp. It's so petite. It's so cute. Okay, so I ordered some paintings for my walls. I'm so excited because I have like the crappiest walls in my room where they like slant and I can't really like hang paintings, but I did find one place in my room that I can hang paintings, so we got some. Aesthetic is this packaging too, come on. Everything so far is from Amazon. I will link it all down below for y'all. So these are the frames that they came with, just the cute like wood that I'm going for. And these are the pictures. Stop it. Stop it. So cute. So cute. Please stop. So this I got from H&M. It's just like a really aesthetic candle. Oh my gosh. So I also got this stoneware tray from H&M too. I love like the pattern and the design. It's like a really cute little brown color. So this I don't have to unbox, but I'm going to show you guys anyways. But this is going to be like my new laundry basket. And I've been storing some stuff in it because I've just been ordering too much. I got the bubble candles from Amazon. So basic of me, but I mean, it's a trend for a reason, right? Like everybody just loves the bubble candles and I don't blame them because they're so cute. Dude, these are so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. I got 2 of them. Okay guys, I got like that cute little like funny shaped mirror with like the wood stand. Guys, oh my gosh, look how cute this freaking thing is. I'm so obsessed. It's just like a little cloud and it lights up. This I'm really scared to open inside because I got pampas grass and I heard that it's really messy. So pray for me that this ends well. Oh my gosh, this shit is shedding so much already. We're gonna keep that in the plastic. This is like a sneak peek, I guess. But now we're moving on to H&M, and believe it or not, H&M has some really freaking nice houseware things. Like, it's insane. I was so shocked. So I got this really cute like throw blanket to put over the end of my bed, and it has like the little tassels here. Look at him when he's playing with these things. Go over there. Okay. So from H&M, I got this really cute little tea light holder. It's like ceramic. But how freaking cute is that? It's like a bubble pot. I got this like really cute wooden tray. I might just put this on my bedside table and have all my remotes in it with like a plant and a candle. I have no idea what this is. I got another ceramic thing and it's like a little vase. I was thinking of maybe putting my pampas grass in here. I don't know. I got a new jewelry holder. That is so cute. Gorge. I got an adorable another little stoneware tray, but this one's really tiny because I was thinking of maybe putting some like rings in here. And then I got another little stoneware vase. That's it for my unboxing for now. I'm still ordering stuff like as I go, so you guys will see that as I decorate. But I'm so excited now that I finally unboxed it. We can get to decorating. that's my room. I love how it turned out. If you guys liked how it turned out too, hit the like button and subscribe. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I loved filming it. It was literally a blast, and now I have this like beautiful room to enjoy. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!